Hi, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use our point of sale system step by step from creating menu and taking orders all the way to generating reports. When you log in, you will land right here on your dashboard. This is your control center where you have access to your menu, your orders, where you can register users, track your expenses, and also view report for everything that you have done on the system. So right here on your dashboard, you get brief report on your today orders. You also get report on your earnings for today, as well as get records of your recent orders right here on your dashboard. So now let's look at how you can create menu. So if you want to create menu, you go to menu and then select menu right here. So this is where you create as many menu that you want. So for example, we have breakfast as menu here. If you want to have menu for your your starters, menu for your main course, your dessert, all of that, you can create menu here and also go and add menu items to this menu. So for example, if you want to create, let's say, main course menu, you can just type main course here and then you save. So with this, it will be added to the list of menu you want to have. So you could see that we have breakfast here and we also have main course. So all the menu items that you want to add to main course, when you add them, they all come under main course. So right here, you could see that we have 3 items listed under the breakfast. So if you create new menu items and then add them to main course, they'll all be listed under main course. So now let's see how we can add menu items. So if you want to add menu items, you come to the same under menu, then you select menu items. So here you'll be able to add menu items as many menu items you want to add. So you locate add menu item and then you type the name of the menu item. So for example, let's say we want to add fried rice. So we type fried rice here. And if you want to provide description, item description, you type the description here. And then you select the menu in which you want to add this menu item to. So if you want to add it to main course, you select main course and you also select the category. So you also have option to create category. We'll get to that in a moment. So for example, if it is drink, you select drink. If it is food, you select food. In order to categorize your menu items, you select the main category that you want this menu item to fall under. So now we can also indicate whether this item is a vegetable meal or it is non-vegetable, it is a drink or any other. You select the type of meal that it is, then you indicate it as well. You can also provide the preparation time if you want your customers to know the number of minutes that is going to take them to prepare. It's going to take you to prepare this particular meal. You can indicate it so that when customers are placing orders themselves, they will be able to know the preparation time, the number of minutes it's going to take for this order to be ready. And also, you also have option to indicate whether this menu item is available at the moment. So if it is available, you say yes. But anytime you no more serve this menu or this particular item, you come here and select no, so that it will not be displayed at POS when a waiter wants to select this or a customer wants to place this order. So when you select no, it will not be displayed or it will not be visible for customers to select. And the next section is the kitchen type. So here the system allows you to select a kitchen type when you are placing order. So for example, if you are placing order for food, it should go to the kitchen. So when you assign this item to kitchen, the moment an order is placed, a token will be generated to the kitchen. So which means that this particular order would have to be prepared from the kitchen, and if it is drink, meaning that it has to be served from the bar. So you select bar, whichever kitchen type you want this particular menu item to be linked to, you select the kitchen type so that it will work accordingly. You can also add item image to this particular menu so that it displayed at the POS for easy selection. You can also add the applicable taxes to this particular menu. So you can select if it is get farm, if it is COVID, VAT, you select the applicable taxes and then go ahead and finalize the settings. So here the next section is to set the price. So you set the price, how much you are going to sell this particular menu item. If it is, let's say 100 cedis, you select 100 cedis and you complete this process. So we select 100 cedis and you save. So the moment you save, it will be added to the list, the menu list here. So we have a problem here. So this menu item is inactive at the moment because we selected that it is not available. You could see that here we selected no, which means that it will not be available for selection. So what we need to do is to select yes so that we can sell it whenever a customer wants this menu item. So for example, now we could see that it is available for sale. Great. So this is how you add menu items. And the categories, the item categories. So if you want to add different categories, you can come here and just add new item category. So you can have whatever name you want to give it, you can have it so that when you are adding the menu items, you can select the categories you want the menu items to fall under, and that will be it for you. And this is how you can create menu and also add menu items. Okay, so now we've been able to add menu and add menu items. We've created menu and we've been able to add menu items. Let's see how we can make sales, how we can place order and also record our sales. So if you want to do that, we come to POS. So here it will take you to where the menu items will be displayed for selection. So here you will have all your menu items listed with the menu and then categories, all of them. So if you have them plated here and you want easy selection, you can quickly just go to the order you want to select, the menu you want to select is under main course. You just select main course and you will have all of them listed here. So if it is fried rice, you just select fried rice and it will be displayed here for you. So the system allows 3 types of orders. So we have dine-in order and we have delivery and pickup. So if the person is dining in, then you select dine-in. If it is delivery, you select delivery, and if it is pickup, you select pickup. So let's say this order is dining, the person is dining, so we select dining and we select the menu item, that is fried rice. So here the person wants 2 packs, so we can either click on it to select 2 or use the plus button here to add up to the quantity. But since we are going for only 2, so I'll select only 2 So here we have 2, which is costing us 200 cedis. So here we have KOT and print, we have KOT bill and payment bill. So at any point, all of this perform their individual functions. So KOT here, it means that you are sending a ticket to the kitchen so that they can start the preparation. And KOT and print means that you are issue a command to the kitchen, you are sending a token to the kitchen, also getting a copy of this particular token. So it works in a way that if, for example, you have a system set in the kitchen that the moment you click here, it issued command and they get the token at the kitchen, then you will stick to KOT, only KOT. So the moment you click on it, the kitchen people get a ticket and then or get a notification and then they start the preparation. So the KOT and print means that you have a printer by your side that when you issue the command, you will also print the KOT and send it to the kitchen yourself. Then we have KOT bill and payment. So here you are taking 3 actions at the same time. So KOT, you are getting kitchen order ticket, you are billing the customer, at the same time you are also adding payment to this particular order. Then we have bill. At this point, we are only generating bill for the customer. And we have bill and payment. You are generating bill and at the same time you are adding payment. And we also have bill and print. So it means that you are generating bill and also getting a copy of that bill, either to keep it for reference or send it to the customer. So at the moment, we are finalizing everything at once. So I'm going to select bill and print. So I'm going to bill this customer and at the same time and add payment because I have received payment already. So this is how it works. When I select bill and pay, the order is billed successfully. Now I can now add payment. So what I do is that I select, if it is cash payment, I select cash. If it is card, if it is mobile money, if it is transfer, you have all the options available here to select the particular payment method that the customer is paying you through. So let's say the customer is paying me with cash. I select cash and come down here and complete the payment. So now the payment is added. You could see that it is indicated here that I have received payment. Now I can go ahead and print receipt for the customer. So here we go. We have the receipt and I can go ahead and print it. So that is how it works. Great. So that is how you add sales. That is how you place order and then add payment and all of that. So that is how to do it. So we've done it for dining. Same way, if you want to do it for delivery, pickup, follow the same process and you'll be able to place order successfully. I want to show you one of the most powerful features of our software that helps your customers place order anytime, anywhere. Every restaurant using our software gets its own unique online menu link. It is generated automatically when your account is created. You can share this link with customers on WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or even embed it on your website so that customers can access your menu directly. When they open this link, it will take them to this page where they see your business name, your logo, and your menu. So they can browse through your menu items to see what you have. They can check the names, the price, read descriptions, and select the item that they want. So to place order, they click on add to select the item that they want. So let's say a customer wants to place order for apple juice. They click on add, and they can also adjust quantity by using the plus and the minus sign here. The plus to increase the quantity and the minus to decrease the quantity. They can select multiple items at a go. So after selecting what they want, they can preview the menu by clicking on the view cart. So this will display all the items that they have selected to place order for. So here they can indicate the type of order they want. So if it is a delivery, if it is a pickup they want, they can now select the type that they want. So let's say the customer wants a pickup order. So they select the pickup and then proceed to place order. So with this selection, they can add note to the item that they've selected. Let's say with a fried rice, the customer wants it spicy. So the customer can add note and say spicy or anything they want. Or maybe the customer wants to add a general note. Let's say, I want it packaged this way, I want it done this way. Any note the customer wants to add, they can add it here and then proceed to place order. So depending on your setup, you can allow customers to pay online or pay on delivery. So if the customer is paying online, they can select the pay now option here. They'll have option to see your various payment methods. So they'll all be displayed here for the customer to select, be it bank transfer, mobile money, card payment. They will all be displayed here for the customer to select the one that is suitable for the payment. So here, let's say the customer is paying through bank transfer. They select it and then get the account details and do the transfer. So after making payment, they click on payment done, and then the order will be placed successfully. So here, the moment the customer places the order, it goes to the POS system. So when a cashier is on the system, it will get a notification that the order received, new order received. So now the customer can now verify the payment and now confirm the order and then send a token to the kitchen for preparation. So here, this is the details of the order. This is the customer's name. This is the type of the order, which means that it's a pickup order. So this is the date and time for the pickup that the customer has selected. All is showing here. So the cashier can now verify payment, and when payment is confirmed, they come here and then confirm payment as well as confirm order. So they confirm the payment and confirm order and also send it to the kitchen for preparation. So when it is done, they can also come here and move the order for preparation. So they click here. So every step that they take, the customer also gets notification. So here, the customer will get notification, be it in their email or SMS, depending on your setup. The customer will get notification. So if the customer refreshes their page, they will see that the order has been confirmed, and then the order is being prepared at the moment. So you could also see that they have confirmed payment for this order, and now the order is preparing. So when the order is ready for pickup, they also get a notification here showing that the order is ready for pickup, so that the customer can now come and pick the order themselves. So here, assuming the order is ready for pickup. The cashier also come here and just indicate that the order is ready for pickup. And the same way, the customer will also get a notification again that the order is ready for pickup. You see, so this is how simple it is to manage your orders coming from online. Now let's see how you can give access to other users. So this system allows you to create staff member, give access to staff members, but limit access to what they can do on the system. So you can add a member and assign only waitress role, assign only chef role, and you can also assign someone to be branch head. So you can give them access, but then limit them to what they can do on the system. So now if you want to add a new member, you come to staff and you click on add member. So here you can enter the person's name, let's say John, then you provide email and provide their email, phone number, enter the password. You can also select the role that you want this person to have. If it is a waiter, you select waiter. If it is chef, supervisor, cashier, you select the type of permission that you want this person to have. Then after that, you save. So this is how to add a staff member. Let's look at how you can also get report for your sales and expenses and all of that. So if you want to get report, you come to report, and if it is sales report you want, you click on sales report. So this will give you report for every sales that you have recorded. It give you details of everything you want. You can filter this by date, you can filter it by week, by this week, last 7 days, current month, this month, last month, last year, and all of that. You can also set a specific date range to get your sales report. And if it is item report you want, so over the period you can look for how many quantity of drink, testing, for example, if the name is testing, how many quantity of chicken burger is sold, how many total of beef cheeseburger, rice. You can find the quantity sold of all these items, individual items. You can search for them to get report on all of this. So you can filter by date and all of this. You can also get specific, detailed report for all of this as well. The same applies to category report and expenses report. So you can get your expense report by just clicking on expense report, and it will give you summary report on every expense you have recorded on the system. And you also have the option to export all of this report for internal reporting or maybe an auditing purposes. So you can have access. You have the option to export all of this out for your reporting. So there are other things you can also perform with this. You can track your inventory with this system, create recipes and record your supply details and report. And all of this you can have this system to do. And with admin permission, you can do all your settings from admin account. So here you can set restaurant information, the app settings, branch settings, and all of that right here on this system. So basically, this is just a glimpse of what you can use our system to do. It can help you record your sales manage track your inventory, track your expenses, and all of that. And you also have option to add multiple locations, so you can have all of that in the same system. So if you are ready and you want to transform your operations and serve your customers faster, get in touch with us and we'll organize a live demo session with you to take you through everything you need to know before you get started. Thank you for watching.